This morning I'm going to do a makeup look that's really casual because I'm not going anywhere but to drop my car off to get new brake pads. I really enjoyed my look that I did yesterday, so I'm going to do it again but make it, I think I have eye makeup still on my eyes. Or I'm just dark. Okay, I think I got it. So I enjoyed my look yesterday, but I'm going to do it today where it's a little more wearable for the... I have eyelash glue in my eyelashes, preventing me from moving forward. I hate to keep working on getting the glue out because I think that's where I run into problems with my eyelids. All right, let's just hope for the best. Okay, I'm going to use the Aucoin. I heard somebody pronounce it Aucoin the other day. And then I heard a French person pronounce it Aucoin. I'm using a mini complexion sponge. I think that's what Real Techniques calls these. To apply the skin enhancer. This stuff is so concentrated. It lasts forever. If you've ever owned this and used up a container of it, comment here. I'm going to cover up my zit from using skincare. That'll teach me. That combination of eye products and lash glue is like tar. All right, I'm going to take an eyeshadow brush and use the color Pukey. Now I'm going to change it up. I'm going to use the color Butter. This is from the original Jaclyn Hill palette again. And I'm going to make a real natural eye look. I could do a no makeup look. We'll see if it turns into that. Usually it doesn't. Usually I can't stop. I can't help myself and I keep going. So the color is called Butter. And it's from the original, it's from the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 35 pan palette. Okay, but I think I'm too blown out. There, that's better, right? Okay, and then for my lid, I haven't decided yet. What brush did I use for that? I can't decide. I can't make any. The indecision today is just going to kill me. There it is. That's the one I used. What do I want on my lid? I'm going to go with this one. Let's see what this does. Let's see what it is. Beam. I need some color, I guess. All right, now I'm going to do the outside corner. I must really like that color because I was looking at Pukey to do the outside corner again. How about, let's do a different one. Let's do Mocha. Instead of chip, we'll do Mocha. So I'm just putting it in the outside corner. Drag it in just a tiny bit. I'm going to make I always like it on the bottom. All right, now I'm going to go back with that original brush and I'm going to take Silk Cream and buff that out. Her eyeshadows blend so nicely. I guess that's because that's the way she likes to do her eyeshadow looks. And so she creates formulas that blend nice. and buff the border between the mocha and the beam. Alright, now I'm going to stamp along my lash line with Chip. This is the one I used in the outside corner yesterday. This is, I don't know what this, I've never seen this brand before. I think Heather sent me this brush. It is Aesthetica. It's real velvety feeling, the brush is. It's a synthetic brush and it's really beveled on the end, on the tip, so I can get in close to the lash root. Now that I got it in there good, I'm gonna buff it in. And buff that bottom lash line. Alright, the other day someone mentioned that my brows looked, they liked them because they look real natural. Hold on, oh here we go, here's some water. Nope, I gotta get some water. My spiking glue had gotten hard in my brow spoolie, so I went and reconstituted it. I don't know what I did to look like I had, to make my brows look more natural. It wasn't on purpose, as you can only imagine. I was probably in a hurry, or I got sidetracked and didn't finish making my brows look over the top. Okay, I didn't even have to add spiking glue to my brows that today, because it, to the spoolie, because it had enough in it. I gotta sharpen my, see, it has its own little sharpener. I got pencil shavings on my desk. So I'm gonna draw some brow hairs in the front, like I always do. And here underneath I have some gaps in my brows, so I deepen the tail. There we go. Alright, now let's do some mascara. Ooh, I want to use Welcome Back, Carter. Remember that? Cotter. I'm going to use my Lancome Cils booster to boost my Cils today. I'm not wearing lashes. I'm going to just do a mascara look. Okay. I'm going to let that set up for just a little bit. In the meantime, I'm going to put on some Victoria Beckham primer. I'm going to use my YSL All Hours foundation in the color BD35. This is the one that I've been talking about for the past 5 or 6 videos. And the one that I purchased when I went downtown to do makeup on my client, where they only had 1 bottle in my color left. I think when I went on the YSL site to find a link, I think they were out of this color. I carry it down a little bit to blend my curling iron burns. I think the reason why I like this Mally brush is it makes quick work of spreading the foundation. I think I get bored. Okay, now I'm gonna put some Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. My desk is a mess. I'm gonna have to organize a little bit. I have another video that I'm gonna make today that's kind of a request. It wasn't kind of, it was a request. So I need to be a little more organized so I won't confuse myself. This is the F64 from Sigma. It's called the Soft Blend Concealer Brush. I'm gonna set the under eye with the Peach Perfect from Too Faced. I'm going to use the NYX palette today for my bronzing and contour. I'm going to use my Real Techniques blush brush to do that. I'm carrying it onto my brow bone. I don't know why I'm putting it up there with the bangs. Habit. I'm bringing the bronzer up a little bit in the front like this. I know, okay, it's time to put mascara on. I'm going to use the Chantecaille. I'm softening that corner color. Okay, the Chantecaille mascara. This one is the one with the serum in it. Yeah, my eyelashes are all gooped together from wearing lashes yesterday and not getting all the glue out. I'm going to have to comb these apart so it won't be upset. Okay. The picking apart of the eyelashes shall begin. That's better. There. Now let's put some more mascara on. I'm hitting those inner corner ones real good. School bus. I wonder if it's the first of the alphabet or the second of the alphabet day. That's the way they were doing them at first when they went back. I don't know if they're still doing the silly schedule or they're back to normal. I'm thinking they're not back to normal. I'm thinking nothing's going to be normal ever again. This is as good as it gets. All right, let's do a blush. I really liked the LoveJoy yesterday, although it's not much different than what I have on now, right? Nonetheless, I'm going to apply LoveJoy again. Someone asked me what brush this was one day. It was a limited edition. It's 168 SE. I think, I don't know. I may have gotten it one Christmas from MAC. So while the camera was cooling off, I did my lips. I lined my lips with the Do Me Baby pencil from Nars. Then I applied some KoKo, a liquid lip from Kylie. Cleaned off the center of the lip and put on Feelin Sedimental in the center. Like that. So there's the lip. Now I'm going to take the Charlotte Tilbury that I've hit pan on and matte down the center of my face. And the jawbone. Jawline. Alright, I feel like this look calls for some freckles. So I'm going to do that. See if I can find a freckle color pencil. One that writes, so I don't make myself angry. That one won't write. Okay, we're not going to use that one, because that would only make me angry. I can't see. And I darkened an existing freckle right here. This is a brow pen from Sephora. Oh, the other thing I did is I used the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Top eyeliner on my waterline while I was gone. Can you see my freckles I made? Okay. Have y'all seen Wayne Goss's thing on setting sprays saying that more or less they just won't work on oily skin, or they only work for a really short bit? I'm going to go ahead and use my Chill from Urban Decay. I missed my face the first time. I feel like I need more blush. Thanks for watching. Keep an eye out for the requested video. It'll be in the title, requested video. And I look forward to seeing you again soon.